Okay, so today, nice snowy day, good day to be playing around with this stuff. Taking some time to tape this up, put a little tension underneath in order to pull that big crack together. I got a piece of stainless steel mesh here I've cut. Apologize for the voice, I don't always sound this bad, but winter's fun. So I have a piece of stainless steel mesh cut to fill in part of that corner. Had to wait for the heat gun to warm up. I'm gonna slowly press that in and hopefully bind that crack a little bit. And this is a slow, time-consuming process. Hopefully the camera's adjusted to the point that this is viewable. I thought I had it right. There we go. Gotta admit the cord's a pain. Got it draped over my neck now, so if this all goes wrong, I can hang myself later. Just kidding, of course. Have a sense of humor, it's good for you. Well, once I get all the stainless steel mesh put into place, I'll eventually be covering this up with that crazy glue baking soda mix, because that stuff is rather amazing. I think a coarser mesh works better too. It allows the plastic to come up through better. And I think the wires used are a little bit thicker. And one thing I've unfortunately found out, you just kind of have to let the heat do the work. Pressing on it doesn't do much good. One thing that comes in handy to know is you do want to try and fold that or bend it in so that it doesn't kick around too much. Yeah. And that's why pressure's a bad thing, because it just winds up bending the tip on the damn gun. One of these days I'm going to have to replace it because it'll probably break. Definitely a slow, tedious process. But there's something to be said about getting your hands involved. Nothing quite takes the place of that feeling of accomplishment and putting your heart and soul into something. Being a craftsman, taking pride in your work. Unlike all the mass-produced shit that's out there nowadays that go out and buy a new one because, well, it's just easier. I don't recommend it. When you have the option, you'll fix the good stuff when you can. Not that plastic is good, but I love the bike. That makes it worth it. Unfortunately, the underside is going to be rippled pretty bad from the heat, most likely. That's where the crazy glue and baking soda comes in. You can get this stainless steel mesh buried in here pretty good. And then go bake bread. Obviously, this is going to be a multiple step process. This is a pretty substantial repair. You can already see where I've done some work here, filling in a crack and getting that to bind together. Ooh, yeah, she gets hot. I always wished I could do something about my voice. I always thought I sounded like an idiot on these things, which is comical. I hate recording my voice. But if you guys are going to talk about shit and try and pass along knowledge, just got to deal with it. By the way, don't breathe the damn smoke. I got crap for ventilation here, so. Shit off of there. And that is one step in a big process. Catch you in a bit.